Recover files from flash drive. How many times have you put a flash drive in your computer to find nothing on it? It's been wiped out and you have no idea why. You don't know what you've done. Maybe you pulled the USB drive out while it was downloading or installing something, and next time you put it in, everything was just gone. Well, I have good news for you. There's a very good chance that all those files are still on your USB drive or your flash drive, and I'm going to show you how you can easily recover those files. So I've actually had this happen to me several times with USB drives or flash drives, and there's really no particular reason why they happen. It's just some flash drives, they just periodically do it, in my opinion, and I don't know why. But to recover files from flash drive, it does require some certain software. There's a lot of free tools out there available. I've tried many of them and I could not get any of them to work, and so finally I found this place. It's savemyfiles.net, and it's a tool you can download, and you can download it for free, and it will scan your flash drive before you recover the files, just to make sure that it will find and recover the files. But you do have to buy it before you can actually recover them. So you can download it and it'll scan to make sure that it can find the files, and once it does, if you want to restore the files, you have to pay for the software, which for me it was much cheaper than taking my flash drive somewhere and having someone else do it. I had a lot of business files, graphics, and things of that sort on my flash drive, and they were just all gone. So regardless of whether it is any kind of file, whether it's photos, music, videos, documents, it really doesn't matter what it is, they can be recovered. So if everything's wiped off your flash drive, don't worry, you can still recover those files, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go to savemyfiles.net and click on free download, and you can download this tool absolutely for free, like I said, and it will scan and show you what it will recover. And then if you want to recover them, there's this price, I believe it's like $30 or something, and that's you can use it as much as you want after that. So it's a good deal. And another thing, it's just not for USB drives, it's also for your hard drive. It's for any type of external media that has a drive. It can recover files from it. So it's great for that, but I found it to be really good for the USB drive or the flash drive. So let me show you. Once you download it and install it, this is what it's going to look like. And it's really neat. I'm not going to go over all these details because what we're going to be looking at is to recover files from flash drives and not from your hard drive or anything else, or emails, which this software will do too. But we're going to go to advanced, and I don't want to scan, recycle bin, reformat, or none of those, because we're looking at flash drives. And I'm going to go to my J drive. We're going to look at this drive I have installed, and now on yours, if you haven't purchased it yet, it'll let you scan it here, and I want to go ahead and please select at least one scan option. Oh, okay. We'll just go ahead and scan. Select all those. Click scan, start scan, and it's going to start going through, and it's going to find all these files that it's able to recover. And one thing I really like about the software is you can actually see these files before you recover them, so you know exactly what it's going to be able to recover. And so here we are already up to over 300. You can see here it found some images, documents, some text files, HTML files, some folders and other files. And it looks like it's probably going to take it a few minutes to do, so I want to pause this video just for a second till it finishes. Okay, and it just took a couple minutes, and you can see here it found a total of 892 items. And I can go through here and I can click on these and look at them and find out exactly what they are before I even choose to recover them. So I can, if it's just the images I want to recover, I can do that, or just the documents or the text files, I can just select the ones I want to recover. And then down here it says file recovery location on my desktop in the folder recovered items, and I can change that if I want. And then when I click recover, it's automatically going to recover all those files, and it's going to put them in that folder in this location right here. Now, if you haven't purchased it yet, you're probably not going to see this button. Instead, it's going to take you to where you can register your software. I recommend that, but just be cautious, because once you do register your software, there's a chance they're going to give you a phone number to contact to register your software with, and you don't have to call that number to register your software with. They're going to give you a serial number, and you just enter it in the box that pops up with your software. If you call that number, there's a good chance they're probably going to try to sell you some of their other software. Now, in my opinion, Logic has awesome software. I actually have quite a few of theirs, and in fact, about all of them. But you know, if you're just looking for something to recover files from flash drives with, there's no reason in having, you know, a lot of these other products being tried to sold to you for no other reason. So just know that you don't have to call that number to activate it. You can just enter your license number in, and it will be active, and it'll be working, and you click recover, and within just a couple minutes you can have all those files from your flash drive restored back, and you can feel a little bit safer now about your family photos, your business information, or whatever it was you thought you had lost forever. So I hope this video was informative. And really quickly, just one more time, it's as simple as going to Advanced, selecting the drive, and clicking Start Scan, letting it finish, and then clicking Recover down here, and that's all there is to it, and you can have all your files back. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.